how to make a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile so that then you can use it in games like Please Donate. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up the Roblox app, then select More in the bottom menu. Once in More, scroll down and select Create. Once you see Create open, select the 3 lines in the top left to open the menu, and then select Dashboard. From there, you should have a place. Go ahead and select your place. And then once you have the place selected, select the 3 lines again next to Creations. And then once that loads, you'll see a menu right here with your place above it. Scroll down in that menu and select Passes under Monetization. Now, if this is your first time, you can enable regional prices, but I'm going to close that. And I'm just going to go to Create a Pass. So select that. Then we can upload an image if we want to, but that is not required. It will show up if someone hovers over your Game Pass on a stand or something like that. So make sure you follow Roblox rules if you upload an image. But all you need to do is give it a name. You can give it a description if you want, but I'm not going to, and I'm just going to select Create Pass. So now it'll bring us back to our passes, and you can see the pass that we just made. And if I scroll to the right, it currently is off sale. So now that we've created the Game Pass, we need to list it as on sale and put the amount that we want to charge for it. And that'll be how much we get for donations, things like that. So go ahead and select the pass we just created, then select the 3 lines in the top left and select Sales. Then just toggle on Item for Sale and put in how much you want. So I'm going to do 100. I'm going to toggle off Enable Regional Pricing. And one thing to keep in mind with the price here, if you're using this in a game like Please Donate, if you put 100, you're only going to get 70 Robux because Roblox will keep 30 of those for a transaction fee. So you only get 70% of the Robux. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and select Save Changes. And now once the pass has updated successfully, we can hit the back button. That'll bring us back to our passes here. And then you'll see we currently have a current price under the passes. So we're good to go. Now, if I go back to Roblox and open a game like Please Donate, when I walk up to a stand and claim the stand, you'll see the Game Pass that I just created show up on my stand, and I can now accept donations and Please Donate. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.